how to insert line and paragraph spacing. Okay, so I have my 4 paragraphs here that I have divided into single line spacing, 1.5 line spacing, double line spacing, and triple line spacing. Okay, so I'm just going to start with the first one. So whenever you are asked to key in or to use line spacing, you have to first highlight the text. So I'll just highlight the first paragraph that I have here, and I'm going to change it into a single line spacing, okay, or Control+1 for shortcut. Okay, so I'm just going to show you here where to insert. You go to home, then do you see where there's paragraph, then just on top here, do you see this icon? When you move your mouse in it, it says line and paragraph spacing. So if you click on the drop down arrow, then you will get to see all the spacing here: 1.0, 1.5, 2.0, and 3. Okay, so I want us to just go to line spacing options. Okay, so it is going to bring you this dialog box, and then from this dialog box, do you see where it's written spacing and line spacing? So we're just going to go here on the drop down arrow. We're changing the spacing from multiple to single. Then you click OK. There you are fine. So it means that this paragraph, it is now in single line spacing. Okay, and then now we move on to the second one, which is 1.5 line spacing. So we're just gonna do the highlighting. Okay, then we go to the paragraph groups. You can still come here and do like what we did here, or you can just go straight to the drop down arrow here, and then you go to spacing, line spacing, you change it into 1.5 lines, then you click on OK. Then it's gonna be like that. Okay, then we move on to the next paragraph. You highlight it, and then we just do the same. You go on your home tab, paragraph, go to the drop down arrow here, you go into spacing, you change it from multiple, it must be a double line spacing. Okay, then you click OK. There you go, and then you do the last one as well. Okay, just highlight it. You can go here, you can go line spacing, or you can just click on 3.0 because it's also a triple line spacing. It's up to you how you do it. So this is how the paragraph should look like. So this is single line spacing, this is 1.5 line spacing, this is double line spacing, and this is triple line spacing. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how to do this again using the shortcuts. Okay, let me just undo everything. Okay, so I'm just going to start with the first one, single line spacing. So you just highlight everything, then it's gonna be Control+1. Control+1, then you are good. So we're gonna do the second one. Now we're doing the shortcuts. 1.5 line spacing is gonna be Control+1.5, like that. Okay, and then we do the third one, which is supposed to be double line spacing, which is gonna be Control+2. And then the last one, highlight, then we're gonna do it with Control+3, which is triple line spacing. Control+3, which is triple line spacing.